North China Heavy Machinery has the most advanced design for aluminum strip cleaning line and can provide design, manufacture, installation supervision, and commissioning for this line, as well as enough technical support and a complete set of product services to aluminum processing companies, home and abroad. Aluminum strip cleaning line is designed to clean and remove aluminum powder, dust, and remaining rolling oil sticking on the strip surfaces so as to greatly improve the problems of oil content on strip surfaces and quality of the strip and increase the rate of finished products and output. The entry and exit coil car is driven by AC motor to travel. Speed is adjustable. Stop position is accurate. This coil car moves up and down by hydraulic cylinder to load and unload the coils, charge and discharge the spools. The strip cleaning line is the special product searched and developed by North China Heavy Machinery's experts. The design idea and equipment level has reached the advanced international level and has become the model of the similar special equipment. This line uses special cleaning oil which has the compatibility with the rolling oil, and it is very easy to remove the remaining cold rolling oil and aluminum powder on the strip surfaces so as to improve the strip surface and appearance quality. This cleaning line consists of brush roll unit, squeezing roll unit, and a vacuum roll unit. The rolling oil and aluminum powder on the strip surfaces will be removed by spraying and cleaning the strip surfaces with brush roll, squeezing and sucking by vacuum roll so that the strip surfaces become clean and bright to avoid the off-center problem and slipping due to too much oil on the strip surfaces. The cleaned strip surfaces have a thin layer of clean protection oil film to reduce the scratch and oxidization of the strip during transportation and storage. The filter is used to purify the dirty cleaning oil with lots of aluminum powder so that the cleaning oil can be reused to reduce the consumption of the cleaning oil. The hydraulic system mainly consists of pump station and valve stand. The pump station has separate circulation and bypass circulation to change over cooling and filtration devices. The pump station has two pumps, one for standby, so that the pump station can run safely and reliably. The data can be exchanged through special communication between the main PLC system, drive system, and the visual operation terminal with high transmission speed and strong anti-interference, so as to greatly increase the reliability of this system. The uncoiler and recoiler are driven by DC motors. All digital DC control system has the functions of high performance speed and torque control, satisfying the requirements of quick response and control accuracy. The strip cleaning line designed and manufactured by North China Heavy Machinery provides new choice for international aluminum processing industry with outstanding design idea and high efficiency performance. Looking forward to win-win cooperation and a new future.